Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel MF Cooking. In today's video we're making a delicious Beijing beef. We hope you all enjoyed the video. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell to be notified whenever we post a new video. Let's get started. For this recipe you will need flank steak, a white onion, a red bell pepper, an egg, garlic, white pepper, hoisin sauce, oyster sauce, rice vinegar, soy sauce, sesame oil, sriracha, ketchup, cornstarch, baking soda, and granulated sugar. We're going to get started by thinly slicing half of the flank steak. In a bowl, add the steak, 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 tablespoon of white pepper, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, and 1 egg white. Let that marinate for 30 minutes. Chop 1 red bell pepper and a half of onion into big chunks. Chop up 2 cloves of garlic. Now it's time to make the sauce. In a measuring cup or bowl, add a half cup of water, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1/4 cup of hoisin sauce, 3 tablespoons of oyster sauce, 1/4 cup of granulated sugar, 3 tablespoons of sriracha, and 2 tablespoons of ketchup. Give it a good mix and place to the side. Next, coat the steak in cornstarch. After, fry the steak for about 3 to 5 minutes or until golden brown. In a hot wok, sauté onions, peppers, and garlic in sesame oil for about 3 minutes. Next, add your steak, Beijing sauce, 2 tablespoons of rice vinegar, and a cornstarch slurry, which is 2 tablespoons of water and cornstarch. Mix and allow it to simmer for 5 minutes. And there you have it, Beijing beef. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And remember to tell everyone you know, them and Buffers be cooking.